Spotlight got me hot. So hot. I just want to make money on Snapchat. Golly. Welcome to Music Blueprint. My name is Gina Fontanella, one of the co-founders of Music Blueprint, and we teach you how to make money as a musician. One of the biggest trends right now is Snapchat Spotlight. If you have not heard of it, you're behind. But no worries, because you're not that behind, and it's still super beneficial to get onto it now. I did a part 1 to this video. If you don't know anything about Snapchat Spotlight, please go check out that video. I'll link it above. And yeah, let's just get into it. This happened to me. For some reason, I could not create a public profile. And to get money on Snapchat, you have to create a public profile. Typically, and this happened to everybody that I knew except me, when they open Snapchat up, it immediately asks the question, hey, would you like to create a public profile? It never asked me that question. And I'm talking about, I'm not talking about big influencers, they were asked that question. I mean, literally people who had no following on Snapchat. My boyfriend literally has no following on Snapchat. And the moment he opened up the app, it offered him the option of creating a public profile. And I was posting all these videos to Spotlight, but I didn't have a public profile, which somebody may be able to correct me, but from my understanding, you can't make any money unless you have a public profile. So I was trying everything. I mean, I did deep dives into VPN numbers and deep dives into some dude from India trying to explain why I don't have a public profile and all this stuff. It was So I finally just said, screw this. I went to Snapchat, I typed in, I went to their contact page and just said, hey, I can't figure out why I can't make a public profile, what's going on here. And about 2 days or so went by. They sent me a email saying, hey, we got your email. But after 2 days, I hadn't heard anything, so I sent another email. And then about 2 or 3 days after that, all of a sudden it just appeared. I had a public profile, I could create a public profile, and that was it. So I don't know the reasoning as to why I couldn't create a public profile, but all I can say is email Snapchat, go to their contact page, email them your issue, and maybe your Snapchat fairy godmother will all of a sudden make your wish come true and you'll be able to create a public profile. I'm telling you, everything I found on the internet did not work. Every random deep dive video, I mean, I was multiple hours. I'm not talking about 1, 2, 3 hours. I was 10, 15 hours in trying to figure out why this was happening, because I was why am I posting these videos and trying to make money if I'm not going to make money anyways because I don't have a public profile. That doesn't make any sense. So I'm trying all these different things. Nothing worked. Finally just emailed Snapchat, and within 4 days, I finally had a public profile. So that's what I would suggest for that. That's also something else that I learned, that I know a few people that it's happened to, and I've suggested them doing that, and it's worked. So try it out. Maybe it'll work for you. All right, guys, please like and subscribe. If you found this video interesting at all, please share it. And I do these podcasts/videos every Tuesday. So come on back on Tuesday and put the notifications on, or whatever. And I'll see you next week. Peace.